Well, winter has arrived in full force across much of the northern hemisphere this weekend, from heavy snowfall in New York City to icy roads in Kyiv in Russia. Snowstorms have disrupted travel but also brought picturesque winter scenes. And we begin in the United States. Now, the New York City transformed into a snowy wonderland over the weekend as the first major snowfall of the season blanketed streets and parks. Central Park became a favorite for locals and visitors with panoramic view of ponds, snow-covered paths, and families playing in the fresh powder. Park staff worked to clear walkways, ensuring visitors can safely enjoy the winter scene. A video shared widely on social media captured the magic of the city's snowfall, marking the first time since 2018 that New York experienced such early season snow. But the snowfall also caused headaches for commuters, with accumulating snow slowing traffic across major streets and avenues in the city.
But now it's so buzzed.
Well, moving to Ukraine now, winter arrived in Kyiv as snow fell for the first time this season, covering streets and parks. City crews were out clearing roads, sidewalks, and public transport stops. Residents, meanwhile, embraced the snow, building snowmen, sledding, and enjoying the fresh powder as well. Children played in playgrounds while dogs bounded through the white blanket, bringing life and color to the city's streets. Meanwhile, in Russia's southern Saratov region, a heavy snowstorm struck on Saturday, accompanied by strong winds, widespread road closures, and power outages. Authorities have now evacuated 200 people, including 50 children, from cars trapped in snowdrifts. Power lines were damaged across more than 200 settlements, and 6 major highways remained closed as emergency crews continued working around the clock. Local officials warned that snow and gusty winds can continue to disrupt travel and recovery efforts in the coming days. Meanwhile, early season skiers in the French Alps enjoyed abundant snow and clear skies. Drone footage showed pristine mountain tracks ideal for skiing and snowboarding. Temperatures ranged from -3 to 6 degrees Celsius, offering perfect conditions for the start of the ski season. Now, last season, the French Alps recorded over 48 million skier days, highlighting the region's popularity with the winter sports enthusiasts. From bustling cities to snowy mountains, winter is making its presence felt around the globe. Authorities are reminding residents to stay safe on icy roads, while many are simply enjoying the seasonal beauty.